This older downtown Toronto building needed a practical exterior staircase to provide direct access to the second floor. Art Metal Workshop designed, fabricated, and installed a complete custom steel staircase built specifically for the existing brick structure and available exterior space. The installation includes a full stair run, a reinforced second-floor landing platform, and steel guardrails along both the stairs and platform perimeter. The clean vertical picket design provides a secure enclosure while keeping the structure visually open. Open-grate steel treads and platform flooring allow rain, snow, and debris to pass through instead of collecting on the walking surface. This makes the staircase well suited for year-round exterior use in Toronto's changing weather conditions. The elevated platform creates a stable transition between the staircase and the second floor entrance, providing enough space to approach and operate the door safely. Heavy-duty steel framing and supporting brackets securely connect the structure to the building while maintaining a compact footprint at ground level. A dark protective finish complements the historic brick exterior and gives the staircase a clean industrial appearance that fits the character of the property. Designed, fabricated, and installed by Art Metal Workshop.